everyone, it's Emma on Club Wyndham TV. It's time for Mocktails to Cocktails. Today's inspiration comes from tropical Port Douglas with the classic Pina Colada. Port Douglas offers the ultimate tropical getaway and places you right on the doorstep of two natural wonders, the Great Barrier Reef and the Daintree Rainforest. It's also home to your beautiful resort, Club Wyndham Port Douglas. To make your Port Douglas inspired Pina Colada mocktail, here's what you need. 2 cups of chilled pineapple juice, half a cup of coconut cream, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped palm sugar, 1 cup of crushed ice and a little extra to serve, and for your garnish, some fresh pineapple wedge. Place the pineapple juice, coconut cream and palm sugar and ice in the jug of the blender and blend until smooth. Pour over the crushed ice, add your garnish, and there you have it, the Port Douglas inspired Pina Colada. Cheers! For the kicked up version, follow the same exact steps except add half a cup of white rum. If you have a drink recipe that flexes nicely from mocktail to cocktail, share them on social using the hashtag Wyndham Holidays.